guys, welcome to the video. In today's video I'm going to build a desk light out of an old cylinder head from the TOMOS bike. Didn't really film in the store or outside actually because I'm way too awkward doing that. But you may notice that there is another light switch on the light right now, and that's because this one is dimmable, the other one wasn't, and the cinematics were shot like 4 days before this video was shot. Yeah, it was way too bright back then, so that's why there's another switch on it right now. So what I end up doing is making a little time lapse for me building the light, and I hope you are going to enjoy. And if you have comments over me making the time lapse or over this video, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section down below so I can keep improving myself. I hope you're going to enjoy the little time lapse I've created for you, me building the light. So sit back, relax and watch the video. Yo guys, there you have it. I actually am really happy with the results. It's like medium dimmable. Maybe I'm going to put like another light bulb or something. Maybe with a little spiral thing in the middle, because it just looks awesome. So yeah, let me know what you think. So yeah, there's only one thing left to do, and that's showing you the cinematics in 3, 2, 1, go.
Tell me I'm the only one. 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 Tell me
So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like, consider subscribing, and make sure to leave a comment in the comment section down below, because I love to read what you have to say. There's one thing I have to say. Peace out and stay illuminated.